Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am here to show you how to set up mobile hotspot on Windows 11. Right-click on the Start menu. From this power menu, click on Settings. On the left side, in the search bar type Hotspot. Click on the mobile hotspot. On the right side, turn on the mobile hotspot. This is your default Wi-Fi name and password. You can change it to change the Wi-Fi name and password. Click on Edit. Under the network name, set your preferred name. And under the password, type the password. Click on Save. Job done. Now let's connect my mobile into this network. In your phone, go to the Wi-Fi option. Now select your Wi-Fi name. Enter the password. Click on Connect. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.